So today in this video I just want to share if you face your printer problem, either you can turn it on to your printer, and no matter you press the buttons and your printer is not work, the totally power is not on. So what we have to do is the first we unplug the power, and we are going to check the power supply inside this board behind here. So we have to look around where is the power input, and so here is two screws. Alright, we need to remove the screw. There's the power board power supply inside, so I'm going to remove the power. I'm going to remove the screw, and I'm going to check the power supply board. Alright, so this is the power supply board for this printer. And what we need to make sure is we have to check the voltage of this power supply. So right here written is 22 voltage. So to make sure to test that, I'm going to plug in the AC power from here, and from the output I'm going to check from my multimeter. So there is only they use for two pins, two wire, which is positive and negative, and I'm going to check around these two pins. Right, so there's no voltage coming up here, and make sure you don't short the two pin. Just touch one pin each, and there is no voltage come up from this power supply. So let me just open up where is the things where it's burning out the inside here. And alright, so this is the power supply board. Alright, let's look at the inside. Yeah, looks pretty good, but there is the transformer was burned. So if you willing to change the power, then you can just buy different power supply, and according to the power supply you have to plug it back, then your printer will be work. Right, so I'm just use a different power supply here. As long as the voltage is the same, then my printer is work. Alright, so the things work. I just need to insert the ink here. Alright, that's all guys. I hope if you face this problem, you can just check it around the power supply, and thank you for watching my video.